Hello friends, today we will be making this beautiful rock family. We have Papa Flower Rock, Baby Flower Rock and Mama Flower Rock. So let's get started. We need 3 different sizes of circular rock to make our rock family. The largest rock is around 4-inch diameter, the medium rock is around 3-inch diameter and the smallest rock is 2.5-inch diameter. First, we will paint all the 3 rocks with white acrylic paint. I am using Fevicryl Acrylic colors for this project. After the base coat has dried completely, I will use this stencil to mark my flowers on these rocks. This is a stencil where we have 3 different sizes of flowers. You can use any stencil of your choice or make freehand flowers. Place the stencil on your rock and start marking the flowers. I am using the largest flower from the stencil to trace on my largest rock. Stencils are very handy when you are not confident of drawing a freehand design. Also, you get a consistent design while using a stencil. The largest rock is now ready and we will now trace the design on the medium size rock. I am using the smallest flower from the stencil on the medium size rock. Make sure you trace all the details from the stencil onto your rock. There are petals on the topmost part of the stencil. I will use this petal shape to form a similar pattern like the previous 2 rocks on the smallest rock. All the 3 rocks are now ready with the design outline and now we will start painting on them. I am applying a very light shade of pink on the largest rock petals. Make sure you use a very fine brush and stick to the outlines, otherwise the rock will look very shabby. After a single coat of light pink base, I am applying 2 coats of dark purple on these petals because I want a dark purple look for the petals. After finishing the petals, we will now paint the circles below the petals in blue. You can choose any color of your choice. Below the blue dots, I have used shades of orange and yellow. I am trying to give a shaded effect for this part. I have chosen 3 shades of green for the leaf section of the flower. For the above 2 leaves, I have used light green and dark green shading, and for the below 2 leaves, I am using sap green and dark green shading. Now I'll paint the last pair of leaves. It's been placed in the curve of the rock, so painting over here is a little tricky. So now we have colored the flower and the leaves of this rock, and now we will be giving outline using a bronze color and a very thin brush. The bronze outline will uplift the look of our rock, so make sure the thickness of the outline is uniform. Our outline work for this rock is complete. You can see the bronze outline has uplifted the rock. Now is the time for some dot painting. I am using dotting tools for this dot painting art, but you could use a toothpick as well or the back side of your brush. On this rock, I have done a very simple and basic dot art which can be done by anybody. I am using the same bronze color which we did for the outline to fill in the gaps between the different parts of the flower. You can keep it simple or add more detailing depending on your choice. And here our rock is complete. Similarly, we will do baby flower rock and mama flower rock.